With the marketing and distribution convention just around the corner, now is the perfect time to fine tune exactly what you're hoping to get out of it. Hi, I'm Laura with Activation, and I wanted to follow up with a few additional tips. I know we have previously shared some key points on planning to attend, how you want to go have your social media ready before, after, and during the event, and as well as reaching out to potential connections and who you'd like to meet up with, partner with, or visit with while you're at the event. Well, today, here are a few just additional things to take you that much further. One, visit the website. Farmequip.org has tremendous information there where it comes to the program, the speakers, the breakout sessions. You've got committee meetings that you can attend. Take a look at that and ask the questions if you have any beforehand or when you arrive there. Talk to the event planners. They are willing to answer those questions and make sure you are in the right sessions to get the most out of the event. But looking at those speakers beforehand and kind of getting some insight as to what they may be presenting allows you to prepare questions for them, or maybe even reach out for an additional meeting with them. They have some great information to share, so make sure you take them up on those sessions. And don't forget, the committees are there too. Join in, share your passion. And also think about when you are at an event, what you may have to give to others. Not so much anything to hand out, but the give would be your talents, what your company brings to the table, what a partnership could do for them. Think of that as your give and be willing to share that with others. Also think of the get, or some people like to say what you might be looking for. So if you are looking for specific partnerships, specific help in the industry, kind of have that in mind, and it really will take you forward and make the event as full as possible for you. One final tip is when you get back, don't forget to share it with your team. Let them know what you were able to bring home from the event. And don't forget, when the 2024 and 2025 dates are available, get them on your calendar. That will help you out too. Looking forward to meeting you there at the event.